guys, it's me, Miss Kai Julie. In today's video, what did I bought in the gift factory? So yeah, I'm gonna open. Here's the baggie. So hard. Okay. And yeah, this is what I bought. This Boomerang spelling. So it's memo pad. Look at the spelling of the Burger King. And I cannot read these. Open them. This. What does it look like? I got these fries. And it's a pen. Here's the cup, and this is the pen. And it's a blue color. So yeah. I got these squishy mammal pad. First squishy. Yeah. I'll show you what it looks like. Hold on. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so squishy. It's not a really squishy. And no, this one with a different color of red, yellow, and green. Okay, so squishy, like a sandwich. So squishy. So this is what I bought in the gift factory. Yep. So comment, subscribe for more videos.